Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing your environment so you can move quickly. Install Android Studio and the SDK. Select API level 33 or newer and include command line tools. Next, create a Google Cloud project and enable the Play Services APIs you need. Then add an OAuth client ID for your app's package and signing certificate. Once done, provision a device or emulator that includes Google Play. Make sure developer options and USB debugging are enabled so you can deploy and test immediately. Now implement the core integrations by adding precise Play Services dependencies in your Gradle files. Keep versions consistent across modules to avoid conflicts. Then wire up Google Sign-in, Maps, Drive, or other services using sample flows, register callbacks, request required permissions, and initialize clients and application on Create. Make sure to handle runtime permission prompts and implement secure storage for API keys and OAuth tokens. Also build automatic token refresh routines so authorized sessions finish by signing your release with the production key store and ensuring its SHA-1 fingerprint is registered in the Google console. Then build an Android app bundle, and upload to Play Console for internal testing. Once uploaded, run thorough end-to-end tests on physical devices to confirm sign-ins, billing flows, and Play Services behaviors. If something breaks, first verify the SHA-1, package name, permissions, and that the correct APIs are enabled in the Cloud Console. This single checklist resolves most integration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.